This program prints the first 10 natural numbers using a while loop. It starts with I equals 1 and keeps printing I as long as it's less than or equal to 10. After each print, it increases I by 1. When I becomes 11, the loop stops. This program prints a number pattern with 5 rows. It uses nested loops, an outer loop to control the rows, and an inner loop to print numbers from 1 up to the current row number. Each row adds one more number, creating a triangle pattern. This program calculates the sum of all natural numbers up to a user-entered value n. It starts with a sum s set to 0, then uses a for loop from 1 to n, adding each number to s. Finally, it prints the total sum after the loop finishes. This program prints the multiplication table of 2. It uses a for loop that runs from 1 to 10, multiplying 2 by the current loop number each time, and then prints the result. It shows 2 times 1 through 2 times 10. This program goes through a list of numbers and prints only those divisible by 5, but with conditions. If a number is over 500, the loop stops. If it's over 150, it skips to the next number. All other numbers divisible by 5 are printed. This program counts the number of digits in a number. It uses a while loop that repeatedly removes the last digit by using floor division by 10. Each time, it increments a counter. When the number becomes 0, it prints the total digit count. This program prints a reverse number pattern using nested loops. The outer loop controls the rows, and the inner loop prints numbers in descending order, starting from Ki. With each row, the count decreases, forming a triangle shape of numbers. This program prints the first 10 numbers of the Fibonacci sequence. It starts with 2 initial numbers, 0 and 1. Using a for loop, it prints the current number, then calculates the next number by adding the previous 2. The values are then updated to continue the sequence. This process repeats 10 times, generating the classic Fibonacci pattern, where each number is the sum of the 2 before it,